Dear ladies and gentlemen, today we will together discuss one of the most important economic activities in the world, logging. This is a field that not only has a profound impact on the economy, but also significantly influences society and the environment. The economic role of the logging industry contribution to GDP and economic growth. Logging is one of the leading industries in many countries, especially those with large forested areas like Canada, Brazil, Russia, and several Southeast Asian countries. The wood industry contributes billions of dollars to these countries' GDPs and serves as an important source of foreign currency through the export of wood products. Additionally, the wood industry plays a crucial role in supplying raw materials for various other industries, such as construction, furniture manufacturing, paper production, and packaging. Job creation and rural development logging activities provide millions of direct jobs for workers in rural areas, where other employment opportunities may be limited. Beyond just creating jobs, this industry also drives the development of rural areas by improving infrastructure and providing essential services such as healthcare and education to the community. SECU, social importance, providing materials for daily life. Wood is an indispensable material in human life. Since ancient times, people have used wood to build houses, make tools, and craft products for daily living needs. Today, wood continues to be a crucial resource used in various fields, from architectural structures and bridges to furniture, household items, and even in art and handicrafts. Wood maintains a special place in our lives. Contributing to social stability and development, logging activities not only create jobs, but also contribute to social stability by providing a stable income for millions of people. Moreover, the development of sustainable logging communities helps preserve the culture, traditional practices, and way of life of indigenous peoples, who have long lived in harmony with nature and the forests. Environmental challenges and responsibilities. The negative impacts of unsustainable logging. However, unsustainable logging practices can lead to severe consequences. Overexploitation of forests can result in deforestation, the reduction of primary forest areas, and a decline in biodiversity. The destruction of forests compromises their vital role as the Earth's lungs, regulating the climate and providing habitats for millions of species. Climate change and the necessity of sustainable forest management. Deforestation and forest degradation are major contributors to climate change. When forests are destroyed, the CO2 stored in trees is released into the atmosphere, exacerbating the greenhouse effect. Therefore, sustainable forest management is not only the responsibility of the logging industry, but also an urgent global task. Solutions and sustainable development directions. Applying modern technology and harvesting methods. One crucial solution to mitigate the negative impacts of logging is to implement modern technologies and environmentally friendly harvesting methods. Advanced machinery can help minimize the disturbance to forest soils, protect the land, and prevent erosion. Additionally, using selective logging practices, where only trees meeting certain standards are harvested, helps maintain ecological balance. Strengthening forest management and protection policies. Governments and international organizations need to enhance forest management policies and measures, including regulating logging permits, monitoring activities, and protecting primary forests and endangered species. Additionally, it is essential to promote reforestation programs, restore degraded forests, and educate the public about the importance of forest conservation. In conclusion, logging plays a crucial role in the global economy and in our daily lives. However, for this industry to develop sustainably and not harm the environment, it is essential to focus on effective and responsible forest management. Balancing economic development with environmental protection is the key to maintaining a green, clean, and sustainable planet for future generations. Thank you for your attention.